Skur nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajingja kabas ngawlingo jong ka Wapung Skur East Jante Hills kaba ha polling station jong ka section A kabadai jong ki shinrang bat ka section B kabadai jong ki kenthei kalayat bet hadien ka jingpen bet ya ki jingklumar khendiat hadu ka khatwai arpho baje min step bat hadien kumba khatwai lai pusan AA layo ka report ba ka jingwan rung jubor jong kita kinong penjulor ki bamshum la Ithuh dur Khmat ba ki dei ki Briew ki bana A kila Pynpra ya ka jaka bapelong ya ka jingthep vote ha ka arphoi trik rumpang ar hajar apusan kat kum palayo jingtep kini kinong penjulor kila le dusmon ya ka electronic voting machine bat nakaliang ka additional deputy commissioner jong ka East Jante Hills ka kong Jacqueline Yu Kharpuri ka badairu ka returning officer kalaong ba kini ki Briew ki bamshum la Ithuh dur Khmat ki balarung jubor ha kani ka polling station ha ka por kumba khatwai lai pusan baje min step bat Pynpra ya ki EVM ha ka section A kata ka badai ha ka jaka bathep vote jong ki kenthei bat hadien kumba minute AA kila rung sa shaka kamra thep vote jong ki shinrang ban penjulor sa ya ki EVM ki badan ha kani ka kamra markumta u deputy commissioner jong ka East Jante Hills u Shivansh Avasthi u superintendent of police u Giri Prasad bat u deputy inspector general of police kila her banlet jurip ya ka tega jaka hadien ka tega jingja.
So we received information around 11:30, 11:35. The polling was going peacefully till 11:20. Then after that, we received information that the group of people have entered in Wapung Skur A and B, and then they have destroyed the EVMs. So once we received the information, we have deputed additional forces to ensure that all people are safe in the locality and no one is harmed. Also that there has been no injuries reported in this particular incident, but however the EVM has been destroyed. So we are going with the necessary case for further necessary action. No, so far we have not received any such information of attacking people, but the EVMs were destroyed.
Okay, thanks. Kani ka polling station jong ka Wapung Skur A bakadai jong kishenrang bat B pada kadai jong ki kenthai te hakani pada baro tayat bet men step di kamdon ni ai kadon ka jing ya sutu bakla men step kendiat layapan bet te kalayat bet baro te hadu khatwai atau kalayat bet ka kam baro nrei hadin pada kumtu hakapor khatwai lai kusan tingi yo nok report bakala don kata ka jing wan jong kita ki Briew ki bam Ithuh Khmat da menu kiba ya don hang ni kiba dang ya terikam nakaliang presiding bat ki polling team jong presiding bat I sector officer bat I zonal magistrate ti Ithuh Khmat ki shuwan ki shu le force entry nang ta ki shu penpat Pynpra lut ya ki EVM bat nang ta ki penduk lut ya kai ka kam penle election te ha ka ju por hi had kumba khatwai lai pinyo pada ki let sahapo sakita ki wei pada hapo kaneka mil ka polling station junction rang hangta pada ki sedang sekitaru ki let ban pen huri hura hangta bat tempat nut ya ki tiar EVM ki bamla Ithuh Khmat ti habaki nak liang jung ki snong ru ki la penjai jai ya ki tang ba mla ban Ithuh Khmat ki shuwan ki rungbet ki penpat ha ka mil ru ti nrei baro men step kalang kalaya jai bah karu komlong jongka jing thep vote te kensan ha kita ki por hi isu penpat Pynpra no ya ki EVM omla ban Ithuh Khmat wei ru ki ong babun bamla ban Ithuh Khmat te ngi nang hab ban wat jing tep ya kata Ha kana ka durum Ithuh Khmat they cover the face or what? dem ki klam cover tamap ki Briew ki ba trei ya ka kam election kim Ithuh ya ki kim tip ya ki dei national ne kim dei ru tip okay ti stang ki snong hi ki laban pek mi kata ne nakaliang jong ki polling team jong ni ki ong nim Ithuh ki dei na ru kim ong badai na ru badai na kani ka snong ne badai na ki shurung bet forcefully shurung bet ki shupen shurung ki shuwan penpat bet